Selam dostlar, birinci dersimize hoş geldiniz. Ben bugün size Türkmence dilini öğretmeye başlayacak. Hello friends, welcome to our first lesson of the Turkmen language. Today I'm just going to teach you guys the basics of the Turkmen language, such as the personal pronouns and the verb to be. So let's start with the personal pronouns. The personal pronouns, of course, in English are I, you, he, she, we, you all, and they. In the Turkmen language, it's men, sen, ol, biz, siz, olar. I, you, he, she, we, you all, they. Of course, if you speak Turkish or Azerbaijani or any other Turkic language, you'll find that these are very similar to your own language. That is because Turkmen is one of the languages in the Turkic language family, and it's part of the Oghuz branch to be specific, so it's in the same family as Azerbaijani and Turkish. However, there are some differences. Okay? So, one more time, men, sen, ol, biz, siz, olar. Okay? You got it? So, now, how do we say the verb to be? For example, what if I want to say something like, I am a doctor, inshallah, God willing. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a, whatever. You are this, you are that. He is that, he is this. Now, how do you say that? How do you use the verb to be? In Turkmen, and I'm talking about the present tense, I'll go over the verb to be in more of a comprehensive way, including the present tense, future tense, past tense, in a future video. In this video, we're just talking about the present tense of to be. Alright? So, it's very simple in the Turkmen language. The verb to be just is not written down. So, for example, if I wanted to say, I am a student, in the Turkmen language, what you would literally say is, I, student. You are a student. In the Turkmen language, you just say, you, student. This is very simple. So let's just write that down just so you guys can visualize it. So first of all, let's learn our first vocabulary word here. How do you say the word student in Turkmen? Student. It's oku chi. Literally the one who reads, but it comes to the meaning of students. There's other words for students such as talib or öğrenci, but those words are not used as much as this word okuchi. So we're going to use the word okuchi today. So I just went over it. How do you guys say I am a student? I am a student. You would say men okuchi. That's it. I am a student. Literally, word for word, it's just I, student. I think Russian is the same, I'm not sure. But the Turkic languages, they're very similar. Some of them, like Turkish, they have a little thing at the end, but for the most part, it's like that. Sen okuchi, you are a student. Ol okuchi, what does that mean? He is a student or she is a student. He and she are the same word in the Turkmen language. There's no difference. It's ol. And in some dialects you just pronounce it o. We don't pronounce the L like in my dialect. Unless we're speaking like really formally. We are students. Biz okuchi. Alright, you guys get the pattern here? And this letter here, C cedilla, it's pronounced ch. It's not pronounced s like in French. It's pronounced ch, like the CH in English. And this ending, okuchi, just means the one who does. So this word here, okuchi, oku means read or literature, and chi just means the one who does literature. So, but it means students. But that's like the etymology of the word, the history of the word. Alright, so I'm just going to get rid of that because I don't want to confuse you guys. Siz okuchi. Olar okuchi. they are students. Alright, so what have we learned today? We have learned the personal pronouns, and we have learned the verb, how to use the verb to be in the present tense. How do you use the verb to be in the present tense? You don't. Now, there are some exceptions. In some dialects, they do add a little thing at the end, just like in Turkish. Turkish uses Turkey. They add this little ending to the word sing. It's that's how you use the verb to be. So sen okuchu sing. This is just you are, right? So if you don't use this ending, you just say sen okuchi, you student. It still has the same meaning as you are a student. It's just they don't, but you'll see it written down sometimes with this ending sing. What else is there? And same with you all, they add this. Sing. Yep. Sing it. Alright, so that's just if you want to go advanced, but if you forget about that, that's fine as well. Alright, so thank you, and that's the end of our first lesson.